Attention, friends and family of Louis Herman Toyota. We'd like to congratulate Mr. Crawford on the purchase of his 2006 Mitsubishi Evo. Congratulations.
All right. All right, guys. We're down here. It's Louis Herman Toyota once again. Yep, I said Toyota, but Brandon bought an Evo. Now, I know that's a Mitsubishi, but I tell you, every time we do these videos, we sell it all. We're across the street from Millersville Mall, across the street from Starbucks. Guys, we're doing it big. It's the end of the month. The man said he wanted an Evo, so what did we do? We went and got him an Evo, and that's the way it's done at Louis Herman. Guys, we'll go get you a car too, but in most cases, we got it here. Right now, I got Chevys outside, I got Dodges outside, I got Corvettes outside, you name it, and I even got an Evo for a minute, but it ain't gonna be here but for a minute. This man's taking it to the house, so if you're in Millersville, get outside right now, because you'll see Evo flying down the street. This is the way we do it at Louis Herman Toyota, and Randy will sell you the car. He is not bashful. He's a little big, but he's not bashful. Guys, you can come down here, you can grab yourself something over to Starbucks, come on over here and see us. We're doing deals. It's the end of the month. We're closing out tight. If you want a car, Louis Herman is the only place to do it. Don't forget, we still are the ones with the lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty, and on domestic vehicles, 15 years, 150,000 miles, guys. Does it get any better than that? Oh, no. It's the way it goes right here in Millersville. Watch this, guys. Watch this. This is what we do when you buy a car here. Watch it. Go, Brandon. Oh, come on, man. That's the way it's done. Louis Herman Toyota, guys, doing it big. Even we're big like Randy. Louis Herman Toyota. Here we go.